Good morning. Happy Tuesday? Yeah, happy Tuesday. So, welcome back to my channel. This is Liquid Spice in Real No, this is Cassandra, aka Liquid Spice in Real Life. Yeah, that's me. So, I want to welcome my new subscribers and I just want to welcome them to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to try to be as entertaining as possible with the resources that I have. And to my ride or dies, welcome back. Hey, LikWid Luvs. So today I just want to come on here. I know it's been about 5 or 6 days since I posted that short. I've been going through some stuff, y'all, and I will have it sit down to tell you exactly what's going on or whatever. But yeah, I've been going through some things, and I tell you, the audacity of family, okay? The audacity of family, especially someone who you looked out for, who you took care of, made sure was okay, made sure they had a place to stay, made sure, even though he had made sure I had a place to stay when I needed him, and I'm grateful for that, don't get me wrong, but I paid my dues. I paid my dues to him by taking care of him and made sure that he had a place to stay in his troubles, okay? Made sure, all right? So for that person to do what that person did to me in the past week was just shitty. It was just absolutely shitty. So, but we're not going to get into that right now. I had my moment. I'm in a different headspace at the moment. And we're going to go on from there. I know where I stand now. I know what I have to do. So, it is what it is. Okay? But anyway, when I tell you what it is, y'all gonna scream, okay? Y'all gonna scream. But anyway, we're not gonna talk about that right now. What I came on here today to tell you, to show you what I found in the garbage. I'm gonna show you what I found in the garbage. So I know I haven't done an apartment tour since my dad left. I'm just gonna go over something really briefly. So let's get with it. But I want to show you this. I want to show you this first. This is my door. It's my front door, right? Okay, as you come in the front door, I have this little thing here that I put on the wall. It's very nice. It's very nice. And I got this from Amazon? Yeah, I got this from Amazon. And it wasn't expensive at all. So this little, I would say, hallway console, console. I forget what you call these things. These the things that you put in the hallway. Man, shit escapes me. But anyway, I want you to look at this, right? It's very nice. Got this from Amazon as well. Very cheap. Wasn't expensive at all. 20-something dollars, I believe. This was months ago. Months and months and months ago. And there's Ivy. I got her from the pound. And yeah, she's one. Anyway. So this is a nice hallway table, and I put up mirrors and my little thing here where I have my mail, some of my mail. Most of that is junk mail. Hang my keys. I have some don't look at this, because this is, I have to work on this. These things here, you would think that these are expensive plants that I got that came just like this all in one. These plants will run you all in one about $200-300. Huh? I'm gonna do a video on what I did. Okay, this part here, I went to At Home and paid $7 for this whole bunch right here. This pot, this ceramic pot, I paid like $7 for. Same thing with this one, on clearance and TJ Maxx. Yep, got these from Target. No, I didn't get these from Target. I got these from Five Below, and they were less than $5 each. I think they were $2 and something each. I think something like that. I don't know, but they were cheap. This is my white room. This is where I'll be filming at. This is my white room. Ivy's bed. These, the banana leaf, elephant ear, whatever it is. I think it's a banana leaf. I got those from Target. They were on sale for, I think, $3 each, I think, on sale at the time. $2.50, $3, I think. Is it buy one, get one half off or something like that? Okay. Got this pot. Look at this pot. Big pot. I got from, where did I get this from? I think I got it from, you will not believe where I got that pot from. I got this pot from Rite Aid. They had a sale on their seasonal things from the spring up until now, until it was all sold out. I think I paid $9 for that pot. Look at this pot, y'all. $9 for this pot. Okay, $9. This I got from Dollar Tree. This pot also I got on sale at TJ Maxx for less than $5. These plants, I'm telling you, these plants will cost you an arm and a leg if you would go to the store and get one just like this. They're not cheap at all. Okay, so this one, same thing. I got these things here from Dollar Tree. I think I got 2 bunches of that. You know, it's $1.25 each. This I got from TJ Maxx. It was $7, I believe. This I got on sale from Home Goods. This was like $7 for the whole plant. I said I wasn't gonna go through all of this with you guys. Okay, I'm not gonna go all through this with you guys. Oop, Ivy, her little ball here, her little treat ball, and she took off. Okay, so remember this. Okay, this in the hallway was over here in the living room. Over here where this TV console is, right? I forget where I got this from. Not Wayfair. It's some Overstock. I got it from Overstock. It was cheap. It was on sale. This is a fireplace. You plug it in and it gives you heat, and it has a little fake flames. Okay. This chair was in this corner. Okay. That bookshelf I got from Target for so cheap. I think it was $15. Yeah, if y'all need a shelf, don't get a wall unit shelf. Don't get the ones that's in the furniture thing, because they have different sizes. You can get this size, you can get a taller one, and they're dirt cheap. Get it as a bookshelf. Like when it's time for the college kids to go back to school, that's when you can get the sales. That's when they have all of these things in full stock, and you can get them for dirt cheap. If you need a short one like I did for my bags, I got this one. They have taller ones for cheap, for really cheap. So if you need something to go in your living room or wherever, and you don't want to pay like the furniture price, then go to the bookshelf. Do the bookshelf. Same difference. But if you want to be all fancy and get something like this, then you're going to pay a lot of money. By the way, my father made this. Real wood. My father made this one as well. Real wood. But, anyway, so that hallway console, whatever. That hallway table, we're going to call it a table. That hallway table was over here, okay? This TV stand was, that's my bed, y'all, over here. This, look at this, y'all. Guess where I got this from? I got this from the garbage. Yes, the garbage. Yeah, I got it from the garbage. Yes, ma'am. Yep, sure did. I put these knobs on here, and I have to get more knobs to put on here. But yeah, I gotta work on this some more, because I'm gonna put hinges Oh my God, it's the magnetic thing here. Hold on, I just did this and I don't understand why it's not. Hold on, y'all. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this cabinet. Look at this. This is my Hollywood Glam cabinet. I don't want to open this, but it's because there's no hinges on here. Because when they took it apart, when they took the doors off to throw it out, they kind of ripped the hinges. So I have to put hinges, and I bought hinges. So I'm going to put hinges on this. I bought hinges. So all I have to do is put the hinges over there, which I'm going to glue it on with super glue. I'm not drilling no holes. I ain't going through that. But these brackets here, they ripped some of it off to get the door off because they stripped the screws. Whatever. I'm not getting into all of that. Okay? Because a lot of people may not understand what I'm saying. But yeah, look at that. In here is one big shelf. In here, like this, but one big shelf. Two layers. Two, you know. This one looks like that one. This drawer, big drawer. And I put these on here, like I said. So this is what I found in the garbage. This is what I found in the garbage. I was going to the post office and I was like, I happened to look where they throw the garbage and I saw this. I said, wait a minute. Why me and the super's son dragged this thing in the house? Yes, we did. We sure did. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. And Ivy. Say hi, Ivy. Say hi. Say hi. She thinks she's asleep. Look at her. Say hi. She don't like to be on camera. Say hi, baby. Anyway, so that was, so this black thing, this black TV stand was over here. That's where the black TV stand was, over here. This is my bed. I'm treating this, this is a 1-bedroom apartment, but I'm treating it as a studio because, as you can see, there's a lot of things in here, in the bedroom. So until I get rid of this, then I will have this as my little studio apartment. This is the bathroom. I redid the bathroom. I hung everything. I'm not hung. Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. I redid the whole thing. This bathroom was green. Okay? This bathroom was green. I reconstructed this whole house. If you would have seen this house, oh my God, if you would have seen this house. But you know what? I'm grateful that he allowed me to stay here. But when he left, I redid everything. Don't look too hard on this thing here. You see it's messed up. This is contact paper that I got from Amazon. It was irregular. It was cheap, but I didn't know that. At the time, it's very thin, but I did all of this. I did all of this. All of this. All of it. I did it all. I hung the shelf. I did the wall of leaves. This candle I got from, and it's scented candle. I got this candle from Home Goods. It was on sale for $15. We're not gonna talk about this. This is a story all in itself. This is when I thought that I was moving into my mom's apartment, and her tub is not like this tub. So I bought one shower curtain from Burlington, and when I went to go look back to see if it was another one to fit this, they didn't have it anymore. So that's why this looks like this. But I'll work on that. That's coming soon. The floor, yeah, I was gonna change the floor, but I didn't know if I was gonna stay here long, so I didn't do it. So that's why it looks like that in here with the two different tiles on the floor. I did this as well. They had don't pay no mind to this. I had those knobs that I put on that glass cabinet here. which I didn't need because I could open this like that. So, the rug. Like I said, this is my father's apartment, and I took it over, and I did what I had to do with it. I wanted to be comfortable, so I was comfortable. So that's that. This is my bed. This is for Ivy because of her hair. This is where she sleeps at night, at the foot of the bed, and she goes from one side to the next, one side to the next. This is my headboard. This vanity. Look at all my stuff, y'all. Look at all my jewelry and stuff. And I still have so much more. Look at that. So, this vanity I got from Overstock. These things I got from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, that's my favorite, one of my favorite stores. I hung this mirror here. I put these sconces here. I hung these. That's basically it. I had that bookshelf with my bags. I had it over here by the window in front of the radiator. I cannot stand exposed radiators, okay? I cannot stand it, but this is an old building, so it is what it is. Excuse me, Ivy. So they had to do repairs, and they had to put this wood plank there, and of course there was gaps and holes, so I didn't want nothing coming through the gaps and the holes. This is a very, very old building. It was built in 1920 something. So, you know, within these walls, you got everything. And when I say everything, centipedes, mice, spiders, everything. So every little hole that I see, I got duct tape, I'm taping it up. So that's why you see that there. But anyway, I moved the bookshelf with my bags from in front of here because the heat is going to be coming up soon, and it will warp the bookshelf. So I had to move it. And I knew that was going to be a temporary fix when I put it here. I put that bookshelf here for the summer. So yeah, so this is my art. I did this. This is my art. But we'll get more into that. See, I did that as well. Yeah, we'll get into that some more. I'll just show you briefly. I put that mirror up. Everything in here, I did it. I put this mirror up. My art. I did that. I hung these pictures. I got the actual canvas from Amazon. This is my art as well. See if you can see it. There we go. That's my art as well. I did that. So I do that from time to time. We're not going to go into the kitchen. The kitchen I didn't touch much. But, yeah, that's my white room. This is my desk. This chair my father had. So until I get the resources to get a desk chair, I will keep this. And when I get my desk chair, this will go outside in the garbage. So, yeah, that's it. That is all. This is where Ivy eats. This is where Ivy poops. This is her little scratch thing. But yeah, that's it, basically. So, that is all. Back to the starting point. Over here. Okay. So, I hope you made it to the end. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a video. Okay? So until next time, ta-ta. Bye, LikWid Luvs.